Take back the holly and mistletoe, silver bells on a string. If I wrote a letter to Santa Claus, I would ask just one thing. I don't need sleigh rides in the snow. Don't want a Christmas that's blue. Take back the tinsel, stockings and bows, 'cause all I want for Christmas is you. I don't need expensive things, they don't matter to me. All that I want can't be found underneath the Christmas tree. You are the angel atop my tree. You are my dream come true. Santa can't bring me all I need, 'cause all I want for Christmas is you. Oh, I don't need expensive things that don't matter to me. All that I want can't be found underneath the Christmas tree. You are the angel atop my tree. You are my dream come true. Santa can't bring me all I need, 'cause all I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you. Can't stand the rain against my window. It just keeps on haunting me. I can't stand the rain against my window, 'cause he's not